Hi guys, Recreations by Brooke has started Idea Book Thursdays, and I'm going to work along with her and put ideas that, things I make that I see from other channels and add them in here. And I thought it was, a great idea because there's a lot of times I see a video, I want to make it, and then later I will end up making it, and for the life of me I can't remember who I saw it. So this book is going to be Patterns and Idea Books 2021-2022, I hope, because it's a biggie. It's a big 3-ring binder, and because also I buy a lot of my Porch Prints digis, and she's awesome. She gives you the pattern for what you're going to make in her digikit, but she also gives you written instructions. So I wanted a place where I could keep both of them, together, the pattern and the instructions, so I can go back and make it again. So what I have done is, okay, over here I have a clipboard, and what I'm thinking of doing is putting a big Ziploc bag in here or something and putting all my words and stuff in there. So it's also right here, the phrases and stuff you use. So what I did is I made a huge tab right here, and I'm going to decorate it, of course. I just started it. But it is patterns, and that's what this whole section will be. And I don't have anything in here yet. This is the ideas section, and this is the Shabby Dabby Doodah Digi that I have bought, and I have printed it twice, but I only used it once, so I'm going to use it for my background pages. So if you like this, go over to Shabby Dabby Doodah on Etsy and buy this digi. I can't remember the name of it right now. Oh, wait a minute, did she say? Nope, she says it's Shabby Dabby Doodah, but it is an adorable little digi. It's like a nautical one. I think I do have one in here I had done. Well, maybe I took it out. Maybe not. But anyway, there it is. So I bought this digi back in 2018 from Screech Owl Studios. And I put a pocket here, and I just used a journaling card for the label because I'm afraid in Florida humidity my labels, if I label each page, that it'll fall off. So I'm just going to make a little, like a little book plate for each person's stuff and put it in here. But I've been watching quite a few crafters lately, and I've loved what I've seen them doing. So I am going to go make their things, put them in here, and I'll probably put them in pockets or do like a little file folder thing in here. Make it like glue 2 pages together and make it like a file folder. Fold part of it back. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but I will make pockets for the ideas, and then on this side of it, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it like a file folder, glue down the sides. I'm not so sure about gluing that bottom now that it's already in here. I could probably glue the inside sections right here, just here and here. But then up here, I will put like the little book plate that says what's in this file folder. And that's how I'm going to do mine. She's doing them every Thursday, and I hope this isn't replacing Creepy Baby, but it might be. And then we're going to have a talk with Brooke. But it's Recreations by Brooke, and I'm going to put the link down below to the first video she did, which started tonight. And you guys check it out, and if you're interested and want to, come along and just have fun and enjoy making different things with the group, then she also has a Facebook group where you can post pictures of what you made in there. So yeah, come on along and have some fun and learn to make some new things, if nothing else, or make some new friends. Either way is fine. So that's how I'm going to do mine, and it's it's just going to be whatever I can fit in here, really, to be honest with you, or whatever I come up with. But I like the idea, and it will help me a lot because, like I said, there are a lot of times that I see something I like, and I can't remember who I saw it from, but one of the things was a lady And since I saw her, I've seen like 6 others doing it. So I'm not sure who originated it. But it's like a book page border. And you just take your scraps and make a collage, and you put it along the edge of your book page and decorate it any way you want to. And of course I have it upside down. But yeah, I want to make some of these for an upcoming journal that I'm working on. So thanks for watching, and I hope we'll see you on Thursday nights at Brooks. And I'll probably do some over here on my channel as well, showing you what I have made. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.